I'm Brandon Jensen. Your Best Vinyl gates are built for use and durability, but like anything, require some care and basic maintenance. There are a number of reasons for which your gate may shift throughout the year, some of which are loose hinge nuts, soil settling, expansion and contraction, and even concrete heaving. Now, your gate hardware won't solve all of your problems, but there is enough adjustment to keep almost all gates functioning properly throughout their lifetime. However, if your gate requires more than basic adjusting, please feel free to contact us. We're happy to help. To begin, you'll need the proper tools for this task. An adjustable wrench, or the preferred tool, a 3/4 inch open-end wrench. An initial observation, it appears that this gate is in proper working function. Upon further investigation, we can see that the latch bar doesn't line up and the gate drags on the concrete. Let's fix this problem. To make this repair, we'll need to understand how the gate hinges function. For the top hinge, if I loosen the nuts, I can lower the latch bar. Tightening will raise the latch bar. For the bottom, the opposite is true. If I tighten, I will lower, and if I loosen, I will raise the latch bar. Let's get started. If the latch is more than 1/2 inch or so out of alignment, it is important to adjust both the bottom and the top hinge to prevent the hinges from binding. When adjusting your hinges, it's important to adjust and tighten both of the hinge nuts to prevent future slipping. Well, that should about do it. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep in mind that during this process, your hinge reveal and your latch reveal are going to be adjusted. In order to keep them as even as possible, it's important to adjust both the top and the bottom hinges. However, if you're still having problems, be sure to call us. We're happy to help. Until next time, I'm Brandon Jensen with Best Vinyl.